0 can be a little tricky when writing equations, so I'm going to model this for the whole of 5 is equal to the part of 0 and 5, or I could point to it saying the whole of 5 is equal to the part of 5 and 0. This 5 is my whole. One of these two bars needs to be a 5, it doesn't matter which one, and the other is the part of 0. To make this a little clearer, I'm going to put a blob of blue tack on my whole block. This is the 5 that is representing my whole, and this is the 5 that is representing the part. Addition is part add part equals whole. The part of 5 add the part of 0 equals the whole of 5. 5 add 0 equals 5. I can swap the position of my parts, so this part of 5 can come here, and this part of 0 can come here. 0 add 5 equals, but my 5 that is the whole needs to stay in this position there. When I move to subtraction, I need to remember that the whole goes in this position, because subtraction is whole subtract part equals part. I'll put one of my blocks that is the part there, and the other one will be the part of 0. The whole of 5 subtract a part of 5 equals a part of 0. When I write my second subtraction equation, I keep this whole in the same position, but I can swap the position of the parts with each other, and this one will be 0. So the whole of 5 subtract a part of 0 equals a part of 5.